How to search for a string in text files? I want to check if a string is in a text file. If it is, do X. If it's not, do Y. However, this code always returns true for some reason. Can anyone see what is wrong?
The reason why you always got true has already been given, so I'll just offer another suggestion. If your file is not too large, you can read it into a string, and just use that, easier and often faster than reading and checking line per line. Another trick, you can alleviate the possible memory problems by using map.map to create a string-like object that uses the underlying file, instead of reading the whole file in memory. Note: in Python 3, maps behave like byte array objects rather than strings, so the subsequence you look for with find has to be a bytes object rather than a string as well, e.g. s.find blah blah. You could also use regular expressions on map, for example, case-insensitive search, if we.search br I blah blah, s, column.
As Jeffrey said, you are not checking the value of check. In addition, your check function is not returning anything. Note the difference. Then you can test the output of check.
Here's another way to possibly answer your question using the find function, which gives you a literal numerical value of where something truly is. In find, write the word you want to find. And file stands for your file name.
This always happens because true is always true. You want something like this. Good luck.
If you want to say more, le haces considerar suscribir.